So this is the back of the Easy, and you need to attach a compressed air, clean, dry, compressed air, and that's attached down at the bottom corner here where Wayne is showing. So the bottom one is the air, so that needs to be attached. That's what raises and lowers the molds. In this case, we have done a sort of a odd thing for the gas. Normally the other tube would be attached to a gas tank by a regulator. The regulator you purchase from the gas company. And the top one here, so you have the top nozzle is your gas connection, and the bottom one is your air connection. Once that's all connected, then back in there's a main red switch there. That's your power on and power off. So now turning it up, that's on. One of the other things that I wanted to show you back here is this little nozzle here. This, if you slide it, it lowers in this case, and you pull it back, raises the inside mold. And this you need to do when you are going to change the mold on the inside. So other than that, that's the most important things on the back. So it is best, access panels are on the back, so it is best to have a clearance all the way around. So here's the control panel on the Easy. You'll notice on the right is the temperature controller. The green one is the set temperature, so that's what we want the machine to reach. And the red number is the actual temperature. And you want those to be pretty much equal in order to start the machine. You have a start and a stop. The start starts the cycle. The stop will stop the machine but will complete the cycle. And the emergency stop will stop the machine dead. If I open this safety door here, everything will stop, and we need to press the reset button in order to get started again. So now in the programming, this machine is set. We are using program G227, which is the gas flush for the 2227 trays. And you can set other programs, but this one is set for basically what you want to do. And we'll go to the settings and look at, you can modify the program. But these settings are the speed, the tray length, the gas flush is on, the gas level, which is 3.5 seconds, and this is 0.3 seconds in standby to allow the gas to dissipate inside the chamber. Then you have a 4-second sealing time and a 1.6 second for the rewinding of the scrap. And that completes the cycle. On this machine, it's going to do a 2-compartment tray. So what's very important is that the 2 compartments are not the same size. So it's extremely important that you place the trays on the conveyor in the correct direction. So in this one, you have the larger compartment leading and the smaller compartment trailing. So it's very important that that matches what you can see inside. In case if you ever forget, you can see that inside there. So to start production on the Easy, we're going to press first the start button, which will activate the pushing rods to push the trays in. When you feed the trays, we will feed the trays. You have to put the trays in the right direction. As the phototest cell sees them, the chamber closes. Only once the Easy sees that there are trays in there, the chamber closes into the gas flush and the seal. And they exit down at the end, completed. And here you can see it's sealed, including the compartment. That gives you the overview of the operation. One operating feeding at one end and someone or a conveyor or accumulator table at the other end.